Okay. Hey, you're gonna edit this later, right?
What?
I messed up already.
It's fine.
Okay.
I'll fix it.
Okay. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Sorry I've been away. Life's been crazy, very busy. So today what I'm going to be doing is doing a little unboxing. For those who have children that is in school during this COVID, you can apply and see if you're qualified for a laptop. So that's what I did for my son. My son is 12 years old. So I just came back from the FedEx office and picked up a package. And I'll be showing you what's in the box today. So I already opened it up, as you can see, but I'll show you what's inside. When you open the box, it's a bubble wrap, you get a laptop. Acer. Pretty cool, pretty unique, you know, very on the go. Here it goes. So I also have instructions for you inside the box. It also comes with a 1-year warranty for family who can't afford, you know, like internet and stuff like that. They also give you a little options, internet options, where you can pay like $10 a month or whatever it is. Okay, so this is very cool, as you can see. It's also a touch. So let me just try. So it's a touch. See, you want to go to Microsoft, and you can also remove this and use it like as a tablet. And also it comes with a charger, and there's another box inside. They also give you a LG K3 phone. Very cool, very unique. I think it's really cool that they're doing this, you know, during all this, helping kids out. It also gives you a charger. So let's see if you would have turned it on. Okay, so I'm gonna just peel this. It comes with a... So you can set your language. We'll ask you for Wi-Fi, so you'll just connect to Wi-Fi. It's configuring. As you can see, it's currently 5:30. Okay, well, it's taking a long time, but you know, it is what it is, a free phone. So while that's working, this comes with it too. So if you have kids and you would like to apply and try to see if you're qualified, there is a website where you can go on to. It's www.techexchange.org/research with an S. This is what, so when you go on it, when you type in the website, it'll take you to the screen right here. It's gonna say error, but all you have to do is click on this, says click here, and then it'll give you this screen. So all you have to do is just scroll all the way down to where it says, trying to find it, sorry. Okay, so then once you get to the screen, you're gonna go click here. Where is this? Right there. So click on there. And they also give you, you know, all the instructions like Comcast internet, AT&T, discounts, and they'll give you the amount of what you need to pay per month. And as you scroll all the way down from that page, you're gonna see where it says request a free device. So you click on request for a free device. There it goes. Sorry, I'm just looking here to make sure I'm pointing correctly. So it takes you to the screen, and all you have to do is fill out the information, your email address, your name, your telephone number, and it'll say you're reaching out as a student, a parent, or whatever like that. Hit next, complete it, and you submit, and that's it. It takes about 2 to 3 weeks. 2 weeks to get it approved, and the next week you just have to check your emails to make sure that they're actually sending it to you, because they ship it by FedEx. So that's it. So I hope you guys do apply and get it for your kids, because it's very helpful for the, you know, if you need laptops, and especially during everything that's going on, kids are doing, you know, homework online. It's something. But other than that, that is all for today. So until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, I'm done.
Finish?
Yeah, I took a long pause because I was trying to show the website.